नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका हमारे इस YouTube चैनल पर। मैं मनमोहन श्रीवास्तव आपका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं। फाइनल आंसर की CUT की आ चुकी है और आज उसी का नतीजा है कि दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय के मिरांडा हाउस कॉलेज में 17 जून से जो ओपन हाउस सेशन चल रहा था, आज 22 जून को उसका अंतिम दिन है। और आज यहाँ पर सुबह से ही पेरेंट्स बड़ी संख्या में आए हुए हैं। और आइए आपको भीतर लेके चलते हैं और दिखाते हैं कि किस तरह के सवाल आज वो मिनी ऑडिटोरियम में पूछ रहे हैं। आइए चलते हैं। अब हम आ गए हैं कॉलेज के भीतर और ये यहाँ पर रजिस्ट्रेशन डेस्क है। और ये आप देख सकते हैं कि ये दो स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर पहुँचे हुए हैं अपनी काउंसलिंग के लिए। कहाँ से आए हैं आप लोग? पश्चिम बिहार से दोनों लोग? आप जनकपुरी से। और ये यहाँ देखिए रजिस्ट्रेशन चल रहा है। आज कितने स्टूडेंट्स आप आ चुके हैं अभी तक?
100 से ऊपर आ चुके हैं आज
अभी तक?
जी सर।
और अभी तो
पेरेंट्स आए हैं तो बहुत क्राउड हो गया आज तो।
अच्छा, अभी तो शुरुआत ही हुई है।
जी सर।
सुबह का समय है, यानी कि काफ़ी उत्साह है।
जी सर। आज
और
काफ़ी सारे बच्चे आए हैं।
काफ़ी सारे बच्चे आए हैं।
जी सर।
चलिए आपको ले चलते हैं, आप मिनी ऑडिटोरियम में दिखाते हैं कि वहाँ क्या चल रहा है। ये मिरांडा हाउस कॉलेज का मिनी ऑडिटोरियम है और यहीं पर ओपन हाउस सेशन चल रहा है। आइए अब आपको भीतर लेके चलते हैं और दिखाते हैं आज कैसा है इस ऑडिटोरियम के भीतर माहौल। ऑडिटोरियम खचाखच भरा हुआ है पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स से, जहाँ तक आपकी नज़र जाएगी। स्टूडेंट्स और पेरेंट्स बैठे हुए हैं, अपने शंकाओं के समाधान के लिए वो यहाँ पहुँचे हैं। सामने ये मंच है और मंच से जो है वो कॉलेज के शिक्षक और काउंसलर स्टूडेंट्स के सवालों के जवाब दे रहे हैं।
So, you know, each specific in other universities also, you can be allowed to switch depending on what they consider the switch. So, suppose you want to do film studies and you have not done film studies in any of your undergraduates, you can do, you have to just check what are the prerequisites. And any honors from any social science subject, then it's free for all, which is most of the cases. Let me tell you, there are these very interesting. Louder.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Please check if the microphone is turned on. There should be a blue light.
Or you come forward.
I wanted to know about the opportunities, internships, and placements related to physics honors and its scope.
To appear for placements at various levels of gets to. It's a different matter that most of our students go for higher education. So when we say 100%, it doesn't mean that everybody lands up with a job. But those of you who are interested to exit and not be in academics and do some kind of a job, there are enough placements that cover you.
Anyone who is willing to work at an internship is most welcome to do so and will have n number of opportunities to do so. We have 3 forums, primarily the internship cell. We have an announcement group which you will be a part of as soon as you join college. You just have to be on the lookout. Number 2, the Miranda House website. You'll always find opportunities there. And finally, we also have an annual career fair called Chrysalis. Over there, it's just a walk-in interview basis. A lot of companies come in, they have a variety of roles to offer you, so there's no dearth of opportunity, and whenever you want, whichever kind you want, you'll be able to find an internship. So there's that's my 2 pence. Now we'll move on to the next question.
Can you also give as a paid internship?
Paid internships,
All internships are paid. I mean, they can be paid handsomely. They may not have such a great payment. There is a vice chancellor's internship program that's also running, where you can be interning with specific university departments in various colleges.
into the college to sports room after that.
अच्छा, admission तो देखो इधर बैठे तो मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगी क्योंकि इसकी centralized seat allocation system is the only way that you will be allocated your seats, and the CSAS will on the basis of your student scores. So you have had already, you have taken your CUET, you know which science programs stream is PCM and PCB, which is just 3 things. But in most other cases, even in maths, it is 1 language plus 3 academic subjects.
कॉलेज की प्रिंसिपल प्रोफेसर विजय लक्ष्मी नंदा अभी अभी जो है वो ऑडिटोरियम में पहुंची हैं।
I take this opportunity to introduce our esteemed principal ma'am, Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Nanda.
College of your choice, and any question that you have, you are open to raise that question. We are not only doing it for Miranda House, this is for the Delhi University admissions. Information is already available on the website. You can also read admissions, there's many YouTube videos, you can look at that. But we thought that for the Daughters of India, Miranda House being a women's college could offer you something like this. So, and we have met such lovely parents, and our best bit yesterday was Father's Day. We have seen how fathers are interested in daughters' growth. So I think this is an amazing part of our learning in this process, and we are it's so wonderful to meet all of you. We have at about for me it was about 15 years back, I think, when I went through this for my daughter, and we know how this feels. Earlier on, since they used to be off admissions offline, we used to meet parents. And we used to meet the students, and people used to shop around. They would come to Miranda House, they go to another college, they would compare. Now that's a difficulty, but this open house gives you that option. So thank you again. Thank you for making the college.
I want to ask about BCom program and BA with CS and economics. What are the opportunities?
You ask your economics.
BA with CS and
BCom
economics.
program is not here. I mean, BCom as a domain specific subject is not in Miranda House. But you, all commerce students who have done commerce classroom are welcome to join any of the humanities and social sciences.
To ask about can you elaborate the difficulty level of economics that was present in class 12 and difficulty level that is of economics honors in graduation?
You are only say difficulty level is nothing. Obviously, you are in an undergraduate space with the Delhi University kind of a course structure because you want to learn more. And so whatever you have learned, that doesn't go waste. But all that you will learn in economics honors when you come to the university will be quite a mature level. And
Are you a single child?
Yes, single daughter, also a single child also.
Single child, single daughter and single child. Both needs to be there. If you have the certification, you may please use that. There is support for that.
they even get a concession in your marks.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm from biology background, and I wanted to ask if I want to pursue any applied course, then in North Campus there are only courses for zoology and botany. Only 3 to 4 colleges that in South Campus just offer the applied courses. For example, Ramlal Anand offers for microbiology, but still, as it is a new college as compared to Miranda House, and it is Miranda House is relatively compared better to Ramlal Anand. So, if I have 3 scenarios, which one would you prefer that I should choose? BSc Zoology from a good college, for example Miranda, with 3-year exit, or honors, or BSc Microbio from Ramlal Anand?
With parents, as ma'am just told you that earlier we used to have that way. So we would generally dwell upon this question. So my question to you, or your question, if you know the knowledge, if you have the entire thing on genes, if you have a good understanding of your genes, would you be better equipped to do your course in biotechnology, or would you be better equipped to do any
moderation with the gene, in case if you know about the gene itself. Or you can do the manipulations first and then you would learn about gene.
I will have to learn about it.
Yeah, so you have answered your question.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to ask about the practical experiences that we may gain from a course in political science office.
So the next, one more question with this. Please also introduce yourself. At least you try to remember your names, and when you come to Miranda House, you can make that connection.
Hello, I'm from humanities background, Abita. So I'm keen to take BA program in English and pol science. But however, I'm interested in animals and wildlife. So I would like to know that if I wish to pursue an organization like WWF or something like that, is it possible to connect them?
Okay. Can we maybe two questions and then we come?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Karishma. I just want to know about political science honors and what are the scopes after doing it, along with the BA honors course.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Pritha Gupta. I wanted to ask about the situation of semester exchange program within Miranda House as well as the entirety of the university.
Studied psychology as my main subject in class 12. So I am curious that how does Miranda House looks at mental well-being? As we all know, there are many stereotypes and prejudices when it comes to mental health. So how does Miranda House help the children facing certain problems? Thank you.
Miranda House is different from other top colleges in New York.
As a student who's pursuing competitive exams after the BA Pol Science programs, and we know that Miranda House is one of the leading institutions for BA Political Science honors, I would like to know what environment and guidance does the Miranda House provide for competitive exams capability?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I would like to know for a commerce student, she must go with maths or eco. Which subject have more opportunities, whether it is eco or maths? Please highlight that.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Could you please suggest a good combination subject with geography?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Avishi, and I had non-medical in 12, and now I want to switch to economics honors with international relations. So does Miranda House offer international relations?
Student is I use presentation.
Part of the BSc Zoology and Life Science course. What is the practical exposure that is offered to us and the course structure?
Luckily for you, you have committed to women's leadership, and some of the things I would like to quickly go through. We have 18 departments, which includes the subjects that you are interested in from political science. I think the questions were, so political science, history, economics, philosophy, all the languages, the sciences, botany, zoology. I think you've already told we also have an integrated program of BSc Life Sciences, BSc Physical Sciences, and we have the BA Multidisciplinary, also popularly known as BA program. And these are the number of teachers we have. We have 20 courses, but we have foreign students, and these are some of the research. In terms of facilities, you have had an exposure to the facilities, and you can look at some of the things that are here. Unfortunately, we do not have enough rooms in our hostels. We think that's something we can work on, but this is what it is. In terms of achievements, you are sure. So now this is the page, I think, which is important for the questions you were raising. In terms of those courses, there was a question, what else can I do? You can do these foreign language courses that are offered here, Japanese, Spanish, French, German, Korean. In terms of more add-on courses, even if you are in another college, we do offer integrated programs which other colleges can join. Data science, medical tech, biotechnology, forensics. We also have a very interesting course on manuscriptology. And we have a podcasting and radio jockeying. Munmunji is here. He's one of our practitioner professors there. We have TV anchoring, and these are offered to others. Other than that, we have some courses which are highly developed computer science courses. We have various research centers. Those of you who are interested in research, we have a very important science research center which is multidisciplinary. on those who are asking me political science से क्या क्या हम सीख सकते हैं. और we have a policy center and gender lab which is established under the Department of Political Science, which looks at the link between policy and practice. What is the policy, what are the principles, and they do hands-on research. There is exposure with various organizations with which we have MOU, we have policy dialogues, any other exams that you are, journalism is another area. You can also look at civil services. You can go beyond that to look at research. And some of our political science students work with policy, policy centers, and we are training them for that. So you do have that scope. What makes Miranda House different from other institutions? I would like to pay my tribute to all the institutions in University of Delhi. We are under one framework. We have a very dynamic Vice Chancellor. We have risen in the international rankings, the QS rankings, because of the fact that the university is doing so well. So we are all under that umbrella system. The way in Miranda House, for me, what is most important about Miranda House is the strong symbiotic bonds between the teacher and the student. I think that makes Miranda House to be different. Apart from the infrastructural support, apart from the legacy that is there, apart from the dynamic growth that we have been able to bring in, I think that really makes for everything. As you may note, it is summer vacation. Our teachers are all here talking to you. You are not even, you're still in Miranda. So they are open to discussing, to be there, to do hand-holding. I think that is what makes Miranda House different. That is what any institution which wants to thrive will have to have. It is the people, it's not in the bricks or the walls. So I would like to say the people of Miranda House, the teachers, your seniors, they are also here. This is their summer vacation. They are preparing for entrance exams, but they are all here on the ground. Ashima has joined a PRO she's come through outside, but she'll also tell you Miranda House becomes like a family, but a very equal and democratic family. It's not going to, so that enabling environment makes us who we are. We have a very strong scholarship cell. I would like to say that is again another feature of Miranda House. And that is now supporting all students who have any kind of needs, any kind of financial assistance is required, because we have very few seats in the hostel. So living expenses, other things, merit plus need we are looking at. I'm trying to do everything very quickly because I want to not waste your time or have you look at the
further questions. And I would really like to express my heartfelt welcome to Aarti ma'am for any mental health related questions. And I must say that Miranda House has a robust mental health support system. So I am extremely grateful. We as hosts are extremely grateful that this was brought up. Now over to Aarti ma'am.
Okay, as Professor Nanda just rightly mentioned that it's a holistic program that we all run at Image. So what I mean by that is, since we get to know about anything that happens around a student, before anything else, we take up orientation programs in our college very, very seriously. Not as a whole, but also department-wise, right? So it is not just one intake when, annually that happens. Apart from that, literally all the departments that were shown here, I approach each department with an orientation program differently. Now, I sometimes do it all by myself or with my mental health society / cell, Ankira it's known as. So the students get ready with me. So I train them in life skills, right? As an expert in life skills concept, when I train them throughout, they are ready to be going with me and we conduct these orientation
Kindly pardon
programs.
my interruption, ma'am. I request the audience to kindly remain seated as a speaker is on stage and speaking. Thank you.
No, I do understand the anxiety. I did understand the anxiety. I was here watching all of you. There's lots and lots of queries about admissions, about intake, about, of course, and it's very natural. However, once you get in, so what I'm talking about is, then is what rolls out as. So what rolls out generally is, ab admission to ho gaya. Now what? Now, maybe hostel, maybe boarders in PGs, if people are from outside, or even Delhiites traveling. So then the real mental health issues or concept or subject related issues, you seek admission in some department, but it's not suiting you. Then is what the anxiety creeps in and crops up is something that then I get in the picture. Very, very strongly enough, right?
I think the questions on economics has been answered, but still.
तो आज ओपन हाउस का तीसरा दिन था और बहुत ही ओवरवेलमिंग रिस्पांस है। लगभग 3 बजने वाले हैं और अभी भी आप देख सकते हैं कि मिनी ऑडिटोरियम में लगातार स्टूडेंट्स और पेरेंट्स आ रहे हैं और अपने सवालों के जवाब दे रहे हैं। आपके भी जो सवाल हैं आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें, हम कोशिश करेंगे कि उनके जवाब जो है वो आपको एक्सपर्ट से लेकर दें और आपके दाखिले संबंधी जितनी भी आपके डाउट्स हैं वो दूर हों। और हम उम्मीद करेंगे कि CUT का फाइनल रिज़ल्ट जब आएगा, फाइनल आंसर की आ चुकी है और रिज़ल्ट अब किसी भी समय आ सकता है, तो आप भी अपने तीर कमान तरकश में से तैयार कर लीजिए क्योंकि दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय को आपका इंतज़ार है। और हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रख लें क्योंकि दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय की ऑथेंटिक अपडेट देने वाला, न्यूज़ देने वाला और यहाँ के तमाम हैपनिंग्स को दिखाने वाला नंबर 1 चैनल है। और ये वीडियो आपको अगर अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करके हाइप देना ना भूलें। मिलते हैं एक और एपिसोड के साथ, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार।